This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. This fuck, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my way, hella quick. They get gonna put up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big, this a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just wanna party, so I just wanna rock.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and I'm going to address something that's just been bothering me, and it's been a constant battle in the Murcielago. You'll notice on the doors, I got a bulb burnt out on that one, but it's like almost like a courtesy warning light that the door's open, and these things are always burning out. So I'm going to see if I can fit an LED in here and just take care of this problem for good. So let me show you guys how this comes apart, and then I'll show you the after. All right, so we're going to start with the side with the dead bulb, and you're just going to very gently use a pry tool to lift that up, and then at that point you should be able to extract this particular fixture, and then at this point this is going to snap apart or just kind of come out, so you can twist the housing. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down for a second, but this back part just pulls out. So let's get that apart and I'll show you the bulb. And here's the bulb. So we're gonna take that bulb out, and I'm gonna see if one of my dash lights for the instrument cluster in the town car will actually fit in here. And hopefully that'll be the end of burnt out bulbs. As far as height, I don't know if this is going to work or not at this point. But it's worth a shot. The plot thickens, so I don't have any LEDs this small, but one thing that I did notice is when you go to put the bulb in, it was seated too far in after taking it out, and now it works again. So I'm going to have to find some LEDs for that, and then all I have to do now is just snap this back together, gently put this back in, and it's fixed for now. Well, that ended up being a much easier fix than I anticipated. The bulb was just a little too far in, and for some reason it wasn't making contact. When I was pulling it out, it lit up. So at that point, I knew the bulb was good. So yeah, I just put it back in there, put that together. But there's today's quick Lamborghini Murcielago tech tip today. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.